IELTS vocabulary, mastering eloquence for better communication. Imagine standing before a crowd, your words flowing like silk, captivating every listener. This is the power of eloquence, our focus for today's IELTS vocabulary lesson. Word type: eloquence is a noun, meaning eloquence refers to the art of using language in a fluent, persuasive, and powerful manner. It is the ability to speak or write expressively, clearly, and convincingly. Word history: the term eloquence comes from the Latin word eloquentia, which means fluent speaking. It has been used in English since the 14th century, originating from the Latin eloqui, meaning to speak out. Antonyms: some opposites of eloquence include inarticulateness, incoherence, and poor communication. Synonyms: words similar to eloquence include articulacy, expressiveness, fluency, and oratory. Examples used in sentences: the politician's eloquence swayed even his harshest critics, turning the debate in his favor. Her eloquence in the courtroom was evident as she presented a compelling argument that left the jury convinced. The professor's eloquence made complex scientific concepts accessible and engaging for his students. Common errors in use: one common mistake is confusing eloquence with verbosity. Eloquence is about effective communication, not just using many words. Another error is assuming eloquence only applies to spoken language, when it can also describe written communication. Mastering the use of eloquence in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks can significantly enhance your performance. It demonstrates a sophisticated command of language, helping you articulate your thoughts with clarity and persuasiveness. Remember, true eloquence lies not just in using impressive vocabulary, but in expressing ideas in a clear, powerful, and engaging manner.